In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish in Canva with a quick tip session that will last about 5 minutes. Whether you're new to Canva or simply need a refresher, this tutorial will walk you through each step clearly and effectively so you can effortlessly share your creative designs with the world. Let's get started by opening up your Canva account. Once you've created your design and you're ready to publish it, you'll want to look at the top right corner of your screen for the Share button. Clicking it will reveal a drop-down menu. Here you'll find several options for sharing and exporting your work. We're going to focus on one particular option, Website. The next step is to click on Publisher's Website. This function allows you to turn your design into a simple web page. It's a fantastic way to showcase your work if you want to share it broadly without having to send a file or attachment. Once you've selected this option, you'll see multiple presentation styles. Choose your preferred style based on how you want your design to appear. After selecting your presentation style, it's time to customize your website's URL. In the URL field provided, you can type something memorable or effective, such as your name or a descriptive title related to your design. This customization not only makes your URL more personal, but also easier to remember and share. However, make sure that your chosen URL is unique, otherwise Canva might prompt you to try a different one. Now that you have your URL set, it's time to finalize your publication. Go ahead and click on the Publish button. Canva will take a moment to transform your design into a standalone website. Once this process is complete, you will be provided with a link to your newly published web page. At this point, feel free to copy this link and share it across your social media platforms, through email, or any way you like. It's as simple as sharing any other web link, allowing easy access for your audience. Before concluding, here's a quick tip. After publishing, always give your website a test run. Click on the generated link to ensure everything appears just as you intended and that all interactive elements, if any, function smoothly. This verification step is crucial as it helps you spot any issues before sharing the link with others. And there you have it. You've turned your Canva design into a live website in just a few simple steps. This process is both efficient and easy, making Canva a superb tool for any creative or professional looking to expand their digital presence. Thanks for tuning in and happy designing.